This is a 2005 Ford F-150 Lariat Crew Cab, two-wheel drive with 68,000 miles. Yes, 68,000 miles. This is a one-owner vehicle. It is equipped with RV hookups. And I'll show you what else is equipped with. It has a transmission disconnect when you're pulling. One senior owner. This truck is in immaculate condition. Rear parking sensors, bed liner, power sliding rear window. Brand new tires, running boards. This is perfect for somebody that's looking to pull behind an RV that's already equipped. Saves you about $3,000 the way this system's set up. Obviously, you do not need to pull it with an RV, but it's there. So, leather interior, no rips, no stains, no wear marks. There is the connect for the RV. You just pull it and it makes it so it's towable behind an RV. Power windows, locks, mirrors, and cruise. Sorry about that. Truck is immaculate. Well, this is a 2005 Ford F-150 Super Crew Lariat with an RV hookup, 68,000 original miles, one owner, in absolutely amazing condition.